Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the sleek and sporty 2025 BMW Z4, the ultimate fusion of luxury and performance. Now, BMW has taken their iconic Z4 and amped it up for 2025 with updated tech, refined styling, and even more power under the hood. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Z4 stays true to its sporty Roadster roots, but you'll notice subtle updates that make it feel fresh and modern. Up front, BMW has given the Z4 a slightly redesigned grille with a more angular look, paired with slimmer LED headlights that give it an aggressive, focused appearance. The aerodynamics are enhanced too, thanks to its sleeker body lines and refined air intakes. Whether you're admiring it in the driveway or seeing it speed down the highway, this car definitely commands attention. Under the hood, BMW offers two engine options, the 4-cylinder S-Drive 30i and the 6-cylinder M40i. For those who crave power, the M40i's 3.0-liter inline-six engine delivers over 380 horsepower, letting you go from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, optimized for smooth yet quick shifts. BMW's engineering ensures this Roadster has plenty of low-end torque and impressive top-end power, so you get thrilling acceleration in any driving mode. Inside, the 2025 Z4 doesn't disappoint. The cabin is loaded with BMW's latest tech, including an upgraded infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen with intuitive controls. The iDrive system is now more user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through apps, settings, and real-time driving data. You've also got premium materials throughout, like leather upholstery and aluminum accents, creating a luxurious feel that's all about driver comfort. One standout feature is the convertible top, which opens in just 10 seconds. Whether you're on a city street or a coastal road, dropping the top transforms the Z4 into an open-air experience. And thanks to advanced insulation, it keeps the cabin quiet when closed, so you'll enjoy a peaceful drive no matter the weather. Now, BMW has also focused on enhancing the Z4's safety features. It comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. These features are designed to keep you safe without taking away from the pure joy of driving. So, what's our verdict? The 2025 BMW Z4 combines thrilling performance, cutting-edge technology, and a stylish design, making it one of the most exciting roadsters of the year. Whether you're a longtime BMW fan or just in the market for a luxury sports car, the Z4 is a model you'll want to check out. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 BMW Z4. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.